Windows 10 apps can create global keyboard shortcuts, and there's really no simple way to find all the global keyboard shortcuts that have been created, but there's a little script that you can use to find them all. Open Notepad and paste the script that's given in the description. You need to edit the first line of the script. See, right here, you need to edit the path to your user folder. To edit the path to your user folder, open File Explorer. There we go. Go to your Windows drive. That's the drive with the Windows logo on it. It's normally the C drive. Go to Users. Look for your user folder here. And just click inside the location bar, copy that path, and paste it inside the script that you have. Now you can save the script. Give it a name that tells you later on what this script is for, and save it with the VBS file extension. Make sure you open the Save as Type dropdown and change it from text documents to all files. Click Save, and there's the file right there. So run the script. You're not going to see a user interface for it or anything, but it's going to create this text file right here that you can see. This text file takes a little time to finish writing to it because the script's writing to it, but we've got a preview of what it's going to look like when it's done. This is the only keyboard shortcut, the global keyboard shortcut that I've got configured on my system.